Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello friends, good morning everyone. Once again I am there in front of you with our continuous chapter of Organization of Commerce. The name of this chapter is Nature and Significance of Management. In the previous session, we studied about the functions of management as well as the different opinions given by different experts. Experts like Kunz and O'Donnell, George R. Terrian, etc. Luther Gulick also. And they have clash of ideas, they have difference of opinions. And finally they come to the conclusion, and we studied yesterday, that was the functional management, and these are planning, organizing, directing and controlling. And after that we also study the topic coordination. In the coordination also we have studied its characteristics and all this thing in the last lecture. And now my dear friends, today we go through with the new point of this chapter, and that new topic is functional area of management. What is this point, beta? Functional area of management, right? In this functional area of management, you have to study total 4 points. 4 functional area of management are there, and this functional area में first आएगा बेटा marketing management, which is the first one, marketing management. Then second one is human resource management. In short, we can say HRM, human resource management. Then comes financial management, and fourth point is production management. Right, my dear friends? So today we are going through with the first point, and that is called marketing management. These are the 4 areas. Once again I repeat: marketing management, human resource management, financial management and production management. Into it in detail we are going to study marketing management. Let us see. So first let me explain you what is market and what is marketing management. So market is a place where so many sellers and so many customers are there. But before I explain you the market, what is marketing management? So in marketing management, 2 persons are there, 2 situations are there. One is producer and second is the customer, right? So producer produce different goods and commodities, and these goods and commodities have been supplied to the consumers, right? First they have been supplied to the wholesalers or retailers, and after that these goods and commodity reached to the consumers. So this whole process is followed by whom? By marketing management. So this is the meaning of marketing management. Now the functions of marketing management. Which are the functions of marketing management? Let us see. The first function of marketing management is product or product mix. What you have to remember, my dear friends? Product or product mix. So what is this thing? So here if I say whenever we are going to do the shopping in any departmental store or any grocery store or any other place, so what we are asking, what we are observing with this product? So we are observing that what is the color of this product, how it appears, its look is also important, size is also important, then what kind of shape that product has, that is also important. Then after we have to check the weight, then after its print, what kind of print is there, what kind of packing is there, whether the packing is attractive or not. Then after guarantee, how guarantee is given or warranty is given. Then after sales services, once you purchase an air condition, right? It was installed. After sales services matlab it is their duty to install that air condition in your particular house, right? Then after its warranty, in future it has any problem, then repairing of this product, and all these things are also included. And variety, what kind of varieties are there, okay, what kind of company, what is its warranty, guarantee, all these situations, all these things are included in product or product mix. So once again I repeat, okay, what is included in product or product mix? Its appearance, its color, size, shape, weight, print, its packaging, its guarantee or warranty, after sales services, and what kind of variety it is. These all things. Okay, my dear friends, so the second function we have, first function we have seen, that is product or product mix. Now we'll start with the second function of marketing management, and that is called the price. And in price, as we say, we the people are Ahmedabadis, and what we are thinking, कि सस्ता और अच्छा, मतलब better quality with reasonable price. That is the main aim of the customer, and on the basis of these aim, the companies or the other business administrations are running as per this situation. So price, if I say, so what they have written over here, कि better quality of goods should be there and at a reasonable price. So goods should be better in a good manner as well as a reasonable price. So सस्ता और अच्छा वो आपको याद रखना है. Then after, when you are purchasing any product, for example bathing shop and grocery items, so we are purchasing by giving the cash or all these things. But here also they are giving the different option. When you purchase any car, any motorbike or etc., at that time they are giving you different kinds of option. Whether you want to purchase in cash or in credit policy or in installment, etc. Then right now we are saying that COVID-19 situation is going on. So here, during this time, when Diwali will come and when all the departmental stores of clothes are open, then you know that no customers, no purchasing. That's why they declare the sale. They arrange the sale. So sales policy, it means that at discount rate they are giving you the product. Sometimes they are giving you the gift vouchers also and all this thing. What kind of policy they are following? Then wholesale and retail price. These two prices are also there. If we are purchasing the product in bulk, then we get the discount. Individual customers are purchasing, so they get at MRP rate. So price is also plays an important role in marketing management. After the price, the third function beta अब आ रहा है आपका, that is distribution. कि भाई प्रोड्यूसर ने प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस कर दी, प्रोडक्ट इज रेडी इन factory, but how can it reach to the particular places or godowns or businessmen? How it reaches? So for that proper infrastructure is needed, and in infrastructure what is included? Roadways, railways, by road, by rail, by truck, by other vehicles, we are sending this product from one place to another place. And this is the proper channel. What kind of channel is there? Whether you are doing direct selling, or we can say you are providing this product to the wholesaler, or you are providing this product to the retailer, or you can try to supply through any agents or in the form of transportation. So distribution helps the marketing management to send the product at proper places, and that is the third function of marketing management. Now the fourth function of marketing management, and that is promotion, right? Every day you are watching different serials, you are watching news channels and all these things, and in between them advertisements after 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 5 minutes, advertisements are repeatedly come. And once when we saw the IPL, at that time Vivo and Oppo, repeatedly the mobile phone ad will be there. And what what struck into the mind of the audience, of the cricket watchers or fan of the cricket, what they are thinking. The Vivo Oppo, Vivo IPL, Vivo IPL repeatedly, and then their mind says, okay, Vivo का phone अच्छा आता है, हम खरीद के आते. So this will be called the system of promotion, right? And with the help of promotion, no doubt promotion is expensive, but later on it generates lot of profit for that company. So in promotion we have different kind of advertisement, right? In advertisement we can keep the models, or we can hire the different actors or actresses. Then we can say publicity. You can do the publicity, whether it is mouth publicity or whether it is you sell the pamphlets, or in hoardings, big hoardings on the road, you can do the advertisement, right, of your product. Then through the salesman, when salesman moving from one house to another house, giving free samples of that product to the customers, and this way also we can do the publicity. So my dear friends, this is what about your marketing management and its a function. Thank you for watching.